Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today on the channel, I'm going to show you how to make a phone call on your Apple phone. So we have an older iPhone 6 Plus, and then we have a newer iPhone, an iPhone 11 Pro Max. Okay, they're both the same way, so I'm not going to need to show you on both phones. But the first way to do it is to click the phone icon, and if you click the phone icon, you can simply just press one of your contacts who's in your phone, and if I press that right there, it's going to call them. Now that's a FaceTime call, but it will still make a phone call. The second way is if you have favorites, you can go into your favorites list and click someone in your favorites list, and you can make a phone call. The other way is from this same phone call button, you go into the contacts, and then you can pick someone from the contacts to call. So it's really simple. That's all from your green phone button. All right, but you can also do it from your messages. If you go into your messages and then you click the person that you were messaging, if you go into your messages, you click the person that you were messaging, you'll get three little things that you can choose, 3 options. You can go audio, which would be an audio call. Then you can hit the middle one, which would be a FaceTime call, and you can hit the right one, which would be information. So if you went to audio, click audio, it would make a phone call. And the last way that I'll show you how to do it is simple as well. You simply click your contacts icon, and then you can go and just click on one of these people to call. You click the number or click the person, and then you can have the call right there and stuff like that. So really simple ways to make a phone call with your Apple iPhone. If this video helps you in any way, click the thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, you can do that. I appreciate it all. We out to the next one.
Waking up early to get to a bag, working so hard I don't never relax. If you was a hater or you ain't support us, and just know I'm leaving your ass in the past. I got a feeling and we gonna make it. Me and my brothers is coming so fast. Going and slaving and not so finessing. That Roski was stretching, just want us to cast. You know I don't do it all of the time.